what's up mga kokotes? Megan Kuya Jen. Welcome sa Kuwader News where learning is the name of our game. At kung baka pa lang naman sa aming YouTube channel, pindutin mo na ang subscribe, like, and share buttons para mag updated ka sa aming videos. And for this lecture video, we will be continuing our discussion about the other Visayan Deities. Kung ating last video, we know and we differentiate the characteristics and the responsibilities of the other Visayan deities na may encounter natin once we enter the Visayan mythologies and its myths and legends. Okay, so for this time, we have Lalahon. So, sino nga ba si Lalahon? Lalahon is the goddess of fire, volcanoes, and harvest. Um, if there's something wrong about the volcano, they are telling that the Visayan people are telling that Lalahon is getting angry again. That's why they need to be careful on taking care of their volcano. So in ancient times, ancient Visayans blamed her for sending armies of locusts to destroy their harvest. Ayan, so hindi lamang sa volcano nila sinisisa si Lalahon, bagkus pati na rin kapag sinisira ng mga locust ang mga pananim na ang ating mga Visayan people. We all know that locust is one of the plague in our Book of Revelation. Ayan. So, yung locust kasi, kahit ano kinakain nila, ayan, sila yung mga pests, like grasshopper, I think, ayan. Pero lumilipad sila, ayan. So, if you want to search that, you may search it on Google, kung ano itsura ng locust. So, in response, natives will offer her gifts in order to please her and prevent her from doing that. So, para tumigil na yung pagpapadala niya ng mga locust or yung pagpapasabog niya sa mga bulkan, they're offering something or sometimes they're offering Lalahon a good harvest or yung mga pananim nila, binabahagian nila si Lalahon. Para sa ganun ay masuyo si Lalahon na hindi na magpadala ng mga ganong uri ng calamities. So next we have Lubay-Lubyok Hanginun si Mahuyokhuyokan. Okay, so this time she is the goddess of the night breeze. Okay, siya yung nagpapadala ng lamig tuwing gabi, ayan, para hindi maging maalinsangan ang ating pagtulog. So, sometimes, kapag sobrang init ng panahon, people are praying for her, for Lubay-Lubyok Hanginun, si Mahuyokhuyokan, para naman ay gumanda yung aroma ng kanilang gabi. Ayan, so para mabalance din yung temperature ng ating gabi. Ayan. So, she was the goddess of the night breeze. So, next on our list, we have Luyong Baybay. So, she was the goddess of the tides. Ayan. So, pag sinabi nating tides, ito yung mga waves or yung laki ng alon. Ayan. So, ito yung iba pa to sa goddess of the sea, goddess of the ocean, goddess of the water, and meron din tayo sa goddess of the tides. Ayan. So, like in our Greek mythology, si Poseidon meron din mga alagad sa kanyang water realm. Diba? Meron tayong mga titan and other na in charge sa mga tides. So, in Visayan mythology, we have Luyong Baybay who is in charge for the tides of the sea and the ocean. Okay, siya bahala if gagawin niyang low tide or high tide yung dagat. So next, we have Magayon. So as a Tagalog, ang alam nating Magayon ay yung nasa legend of Daragang Magayon or yung the legend of the Mayon volcano. But Magayon can also be heard sa ating mga Visayan people as Magayon is known as the goddess of all flying creatures. So this time, Magayon is a bird. Okay, so yung mga eagle, uwak, and whatsoever na flying creatures, even the insects, basta lahat ng lumilipad, ayan, and even the may mammals bang lumilipad? I think birds and insects lang, ayun, yan. Siya yung in charge doon, si Magayon. Okay, we have Magdang Diriinin. So, Magdang Diriinin is the god of the lakes. Kung kanina meron tayong god of the rivers, and now we will be having the god of the lakes, which is Magdang Diriinin. Ayan, so, what's the common lake sa ating Visayan region? Okay, if you know something, let's comment. Let me see it on our comment section. Ayan. So, para give and take lang tayo. If I'm giving you ideas, you can give also me an idea. Ayan. So next we have Maklium sa Tiwan. So Maklium sa Tiwan is the god of the valleys and plains. Kasi nga 'di ba, hindi lamang puro bodies of water, puro plains yung meron tayo sa ating Visayan region. We have also valleys and plains. So Maklium sa Tiwan is in charge of taking care of the people who are living inside the valleys and plains of the Visayan region. And then we have Maklium sa Tubig. If meron tayong God of the plains and valleys, kung meron sa lupa, syempre meron din naman sa tubig. So, he was also known as the God of the sea. So, sometimes meron tayong confusions. Bakit ang daming God of the Sea? Sino ba talaga sa kanila yon? There are some region believing that Magayon is the goddess of the sea and the underworld. But some people, most especially the Kanloon tribes, has different sa ating mga paniniwala sa ating Cebuano, Boholano, and whatsoever. Meron silang kanya-kanyang paniniwala, di ba? Nasa isang region na nga lang sila pero di pa sila magkaisa sa kanilang mga beliefs. And that's normal because um, kasi pag zoom in natin yung Visayan region, Visayas area sa ating Philippine map, makikita nga natin na sila ay pinagbuklod-buklod. And that's fine kasi they are all separated by the bodies of water. Compared to Luzon mythology, kapag naman zinom natin yung Luzon mythology, isa siyang malaking pulo, di ba? Ang nahiwalay lang ata is the Region 4B. Ayan, yung Region 4B lang yung nahiwalay. The Palawan, the Mindoro, Occidental and Oriental, and Romblon. Yun lang yung nahiwalay. Pero the rest ay kaya siyang i-travel through land. Yan. So, yun yung yun yung reason why kung bakit hindi sila magkaisa-isa. Kung sino nga ba talaga yung God of the Sea or si Magayon ba or si Maklium sa tubig. Next, we have Munsad Buralakaw. He is the god of politics and affairs of men. So, of course, meron din patron yung ating mga nasa politiko, yung sa ating mga politics. Ayan. So, some people are saying that Munsad Buralakaw is highly wise in decision on how to rule the world. Ayan. So, kapag gusto nila ng maayos na pamumuno, they are asking for Munsad Buralakaw's assistance and wisdom. Ayan. Para maging maayos yung pamumuno nila sa pamamayanan. And then last for this lecture video is we have Nagined, Arapayan, and Mak Makbarubak. Makbarubak. Ayan. Ano ba yan? Nagined, Arapayan, and Makbarubak. Ayan. So, dito, conjoined uli sila. But, nasa gitna is head ng tao and then sa kanyang shoulders I think ito ay tamaraws or carabaos. Yan. So, they are the god who could be appealed to when concocting poisonous oil. Ayan. So, ang poisonous oil na tinatawag dito is the diesel, the gasoline na nilalagay sa ating mga mode of transportations. Ayan. We have, ano pa ba? Petrol. Ayan. Basta yung mga gasoline na yon, yun yung mga poisonous oil na ginagamit na hindi na pwedeng gamitin para makapatay ng tao. Yan. So, hey, what's up mga kokote? Another lecture video na naman ang ating natapos. And I hope you learn a lot from our discussion. And for more inquiries, concerns, and suggestions and comments, let me know it on our comment section. And please don't forget that learning is the name for game. on our life. Okay, thank you. Bye.